How to hard reset back to the factory default settings your NEOQOQO Q12 air conduction earbud headphones in case they're not working, they're not pairing, they're not connecting to Bluetooth or something like that. These are the ones that have 58 hours of playback time, and they have the 16.2 millimeter drivers. But anyways, if you're interested in them, I'll put a link below. But anyways, how we're going to reset them is we're going to take them out of the case. And right now you'll see the light is not very bright on them, but you can see on one of them it's blinking and the other one is blinking slowly. So what we're going to do is we're going to come find these buttons here, and we're going to simultaneously do a fast click 5 times on each of the buttons, and then you'll see this light, the light on each. If we do this right, that light will go red on each of them, and then it will turn off. So I'm going to go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I do this right, it goes like solid red and then turns off. So now these have been reset. I can go ahead, put them back in the case, take them out of the case, and now I can go ahead and set these up like they're a brand new set of earbuds.